Good morning. How the devil are you doing this fine day? Me? Well, I need to explain three things. Firstly, if you're watching this, then the technology is actually working. Secondly, if you're watching this, then I'm currently in Wales, so there is no need to comment unless you just want to talk amongst yourselves. And thirdly, I'm about to hand over the reins of this show to none other than our roving robot reporter, Reg. So without further ado, let me roll the intro and get this show on the road. Welcome to the Breakfast Show. I'm your host, Mark Anthony. It's Monday, the 9th of May, and as that remarkably persistent guy just said, welcome to the Breakfast Show. I am usually your host, Mark Anthony. Today's show features some of the best bits of Reg's illustrious career since he joined us here on the Breakfast Show. It charts his rise from a collection of baked bean cans and some leftover wiring to one of the finest construction equipment broadcasters of our age. Reg wrote that, not me. And we're about to begin with what I believe may have been Reg's first, his actual debut here on the Breakfast Show, when he was looking over some Hyundai machines.
Thank you, Mark, and good morning, everyone. Hyundai Construction Equipment is launching 3-stage 5-compliant A-series crawler excavators in the popular 13 to 15-ton weight class. Powered by the latest Cummins diesel engines, the reduced tailswing HX130A LCR, conventional HX140AL and the reduced swing HX145A LCR feature improved hydraulic control, for enhanced productivity and increased uptime. The reduced swing HX130A LCR is powered by a 55 kW Cummins engine. The conventional counterweight HX140AL uses a more powerful 100 kW version of the Cummins engine. With easy, ground-based access to all filters and fill points, the HX140AL also benefits from 1,000-hour service intervals when using CK4 engine oils. The third model to benefit from the Stage 5 update is the HX145A LCR. Boasting the same 100 kW output as the HX140AL, the compact machine also features Hyundai's HCEDT Air, permitting wireless connection to the excavator from a smartphone or laptop computer on site. This promotes rapid diagnosis and reduces costly downtime. Now, back to Mark in the studio.
In the 6 or 7 months since Reg joined the Breakfast Show, he has developed something of a passion for certain manufacturers, and he certainly seems to have a thing about Doosan.
Thank you, Mark, and good morning, everyone. Doosan has unveiled a new 10-ton class-wheeled excavator. The DX100W-7 can be equipped with the option of 4-wheel steering and a crabbing mode, with 2-wheel steering as standard. It is, therefore, ideally suited to applications where space is at a premium. The new model is powered by a Stage 5 compliant diesel engine delivering 75 kilowatts of power. Travel speed is an impressive 37 km per hour. An integral 1.35-ton counterweight ensures the highest stability for lifting work. An articulated boom ensures that the operator is able to position the machine as close as possible to trucks during loading. The machine benefits from a 4.24 meters dig depth. Within the machine cab, a premium seat comes as standard. The operator can use the large 8-inch touchscreen to easily browse through all of the machine settings, including the view from the standard side and rear view cameras. Additional features in and around the cab include DAB audio, a parallel wiper system and LED work lights. Okay, Mark, back to you.
Thanks, Reg. Now, it would have been nice if we could have programmed Reg to have a Spanish accent for this next bit. Here he is looking over a new site dumper from those fine folks over at Ausa.
After completing the launch of its entire range of dumpers with higher payloads, Ausa has unveiled the new D301 AHG model. The machine boasts a 3,000 kg payload and is equipped with a Kubota 4-cylinder 18.5 kW engine with no DPF, which complies with the Stage 5 low-emission standard. A new skip has been devised with a heaped capacity of 1,742 litres, which is 12% higher than in the previous model. The power-to-weight ratio has also been optimized, resulting in a machine that is more maneuverable, quicker and with greater off-road capability. I am Reg, the roving robot reporter. And it's good to be back.
Next up on the countdown of Reg's best bits is his review of an electric case mini excavator.
Case Construction Equipment has provided a first glimpse of an all-new electric mini excavator. The new CX-15 EV is expected to arrive in the European market in 2023. The unit is a 1.3-ton mini excavator powered by a 16-kilowatt electric motor. The machine's lithium-ion battery is charged either by the onboard charger or via an external rapid charger that can have the machine charged extremely fast, typically within 90 minutes. Depending on the type of work, the Case CX-15 EV will provide enough power to work through a full 8-hour workday. A load-sensing hydraulic system delivers smooth and powerful performance that allows the operator to dial the machine into each task. It features retractable tracks that get machine width down to 790 mm for working in confined spaces. It can also work very close to structures and obstacles with a minimum swing radius design.
Reg has become so adept at these things that we even allow him to interact with the world's biggest construction equipment manufacturer, the mighty Caterpillar.
Caterpillar is about to launch a new Smart Creep feature for the full range of Cat D3 skid steer loaders and compact track loaders for operating cold planer and wheel saw attachments. Smart Creep senses the load on the attachment and automatically adjusts the drive command to keep the cold planer or wheel saw running at the most productive speed. A combination of attachment sensors and proprietary software balances attachment load and machine speed to maximize productivity. By continually sensing the load on the attachment, Smart Creep increases machine speed when encountering less resistance and automatically slows the machine when encountering higher load. Engine load remains constant, while the operator can monitor hydraulic pressure on the in-cab display panel. Smart Creep takes the guesswork out of setting the right creep speed for operating the attachment. Without the aid of this feature, setting creep speed too fast can lead to stalling the attachment, and too slow of speed results in productivity loss.
Now, our man Reg loves a colour scheme. It makes his electronic eyes go all googly, and for that reason alone, he was the perfect person to take a closer look at a recent mini excavator launch from the fine folks at Cabelco.
Cabelco has unveiled the all-new Cabelco Sk19 mini excavator. The new model replaces the previous Sk18-1E and delivers superior performance thanks to its bigger engine, new hydraulic system and newly designed working equipment. A Yanmar Stage 5 compliant engine delivers a 38% increase in power, 13.1 kilowatts compared to 9.5 on the previous model. Bucket digging force is also up from 15.2 to 16.7 kilonewtons, while travel speed, digging reach and digging depth are also improved. The width of the undercarriage is 980 mm when retracted. It increases to 1,320 mm when extended for greater stability. The compact tail swing provides operating efficiency in confined spaces, while the boom swing angle is 12% wider than on the previous Sk18-1E. I am Reg, your roving robot reporter.
We're sticking with mini excavators, mainly because Reg can reach those with his stumpy arms and his metal legs.
Those fine folks at Yanmar Compact Equipment have released the latest version of the popular VIO-17 Zero Tail Swing mini excavator. The newly upgraded model is powered by a Stage 5 compliant, 3-cylinder direct injection engine from Yanmar's TNV series. Thanks to a 3-pump hydraulic system, which works with a double variable displacement piston pump and gear pump, the VIO-17 delivers a maximum hydraulic flow of 48.4 liters per minute together with 210 bars of pressure. The VIO-17 now comes with the option of a long digging arm for improved working range. To further increase flexibility, operators can also specify an additional 83 kg counterweight. An easy-access RAPS, TOPS and FOPS certified canopy features a fully adjustable suspension seat, 360-degree visibility and perfectly positioned joysticks. Large optional travel pedals further improve comfort, while 3 bottom track rollers ensure a smooth ride. The unit has transport weight of just 1,695 kilograms and can be easily towed, along with buckets or a light work tool, on a standard GVW trailer. The VIO17 is offered with a wide range of optional extras and factory-fitted attachments, from mechanical and hydraulic quick couplers, to digging buckets, ditch cleaning buckets, rippers and breakers. I am Reg the Robot Reporter. Now, back to the human in the studio.
Okay, this is the final film in what I would like to call our Reg-rospective. See what I did there? Here is our favourite bag of bolts and his review of the Doosan DX1000 LC excavator.
Doosan has launched the new DX1000 LC-7, Stage 5 compliant 100-ton crawler excavator, the largest excavator model ever manufactured by the company. The new machine is powered by the proven Perkins 2806J diesel engine that provides 469 kilowatts of power. The engine meets Stage 5 emission regulations by utilizing exhaust gas recirculation, selective catalyst reduction, diesel oxidation catalyst and diesel particulate filter after treatment technologies. Key features in the cab include, an 8-inch touch-enabled color LCD gauge panel, keyless start system, enhanced interior cab design including improved air conditioning and defrost, performance seat heating, a full LED lights, pack side protection and catwalk, FOPS guard that meets FOPS Level 2 regulations and an optional air compressor and air gun. A full camera array is standard, comprising a front camera, 2 side cameras and a rear camera. The camera display is separated from the gauge panel and provides full visibility around the excavator and allows the operator to see a top-down view of the area outside the machine.
Many thanks indeed for that, Reg, and thank you to all of you for tuning in, assuming that you actually have. There will be no Breakfast show tomorrow, sadly, as I'm still stuck in Welsh Wales as you're watching this, but we'll be back on Wednesday with our momentous 300th episode, and trust me, you're going to love the thumbnail for that one. Have a great Monday, have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Till then, it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Reg.